Hello everybody, this is a video on how to remove the lower control arm suspension bushing on a Honda S2000 without using a press and without removing the control arm from the car either. So this bolt, I just set that bolt there. What you're going to need for this job is the following tools. You're going to need a long bolt. This is I believe a 20 centimeter bolt. You're also going to need two sockets. You're going to need a 27 mm. Let that focus. Camera's cheating me today. Anyways, 27 mm or 1 inch. And you're also going to need I'm using a 36. It's the same size bolt for this one. So if you've ever done this job and you have to use this bolt, this is going to be the receiving end. So this is where this bushing is going to fall into. You'll see what I mean in one sec. So the way I'm setting this up is I'm going to be putting, of course I forgot to mention, you're also going to need some washers. Now I already removed the other side and I made sure that this works before I made this video, so yeah, JDM points for me. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put a washer on this, or two, it doesn't really matter. Now what you need to know is this socket is going to be pushing the bushing out of here. Pushing the bushing. Say that 3 times quickly. Okay, so yeah, that's the idea. So this is going to be going into here, and this is very difficult one-handed. This is going to be going all the way in. Okay, now you're going to get your 36 mm, which will fit the bushing. You're going to put that on the other side. You're also going to mount, doesn't matter if you use 1 or 2 washers for the other side. Where is it? There we go. Okay, and then you're going to need the nut. Now these bolts that I'm using are, I believe, mild steel, and they're completely crap because I chewed through the threading of one of them on the other side. So I had like how many bolts come in this kit? Maybe 5 or 6 bolts. So just keep that in mind. Either you get something which is made of, you know, stainless steel, or you get a couple of cheap ones. This one cost me 18 dirhams of our UAE currency, which is about like $5 or so for each bolt. So each bolt would cost $1. Anyways, get this nut other side, obviously. Where it is? Where is it? There it is. Okay, now thread that nut in all the way. Get your nut on. Okay, just kind of have it hand tight. Put that socket in a way where it's centered as much as you can, that it's not crooked or anything. And make sure that this guy is placed against the bushing as much as you can. What I will be doing now is I've just put an adjustable wrench on that bolt and just my socket, my ratchet, and on this one. Now once it's tight, this is just going to be pressed up against the bottom of the control arm, and the more you tighten, now you're going to start to actually push the bushing forward into your 36 mm socket. Now for this, I don't recommend you use this size, because you're simply not going to have enough torque. And what I'm using is a kind of a breaker bar. It's supposed to be a torque wrench, but it's shit, so I'm just using it as a breaker bar. So that's just gonna give me better leverage on this guy. So now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna start tightening, and this socket will start making its way into the control arm, pushing the bushing out.